आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ पर हैं? Where are you? Where are you? मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Pay attention here. Pay attention here. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. विश्वास रखो. Have faith. Have faith. ठीक से बात करो. Talk properly. Talk properly. लगे रहो. Carry on. Carry on. नहा लो. Take a bath. Take a bath. हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. जल्दी आना. Come soon. Come soon. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ. Go there. Go there. ध्यान से जाना. Go carefully. Go carefully. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. Stand up. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. समय पर आना. Be on time. Be on time. जिद मत करो. Don't insist. Don't insist. इसे संभालो. Handle it. Handle it. पकड़ो इसको. Hold this. Hold this. सावधान रहो. Be careful. Be careful. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. जरा रुको. Just wait. Just wait. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. ऐसे मत करो. Don't do like that. Don't do like that. इसे अभी करो. Do it right now. Do it right now. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. इसे दोबारा मत करना. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. मेरे पास 2 कार हैं. I have 2 cars. I have 2 cars. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं. I have 2 children. I have 2 children. मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Wait for me. Wait for me. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait. I can't wait. उसके लिए इंतज़ार करो. Wait for him. Wait for him. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need it. I don't need it. क्या तुम्हें इसकी ज़रूरत है? Do you need it? Do you need it? तुम्हें जाने की ज़रूरत है. You need to go. You need to go. वह आ रहा है. He is coming. He is coming. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. उसे बोलने दो. Let her speak. Let her speak. इसे सही करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very nice. He is very nice. इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very good. You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? हमें यह चाहिए. We need this. We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए. I want this. I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. उसे बताओ. Tell him. Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. हमें इंतज़ार करना है. We have to wait. We have to wait. वह काम कर रहा है. He is working. He is working. मुझे मत बताओ. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे यह चाहिए. I need this. I need this. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. यह सही है. This is right. This is right. मुझे कुछ बताओ. Tell me something. Tell me something. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? हमें यह करना है. We have to do this. We have to do this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ. Call him back. Call him back. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो. Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरा हो गया. I am done. I am done. तुम्हारी बारी. Your turn. Your turn. नीचे आओ. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. ऊपर जाओ. Come upstairs. Come upstairs. पीछे जाओ. Step back. Step back. एक तरफ हो जाओ. Step aside. Step aside. पहले आप. After you. After you. किसके लिए? For whom? For whom? इसे लो, take it या take this. Take it या take this. बस, that's all. That's all. बस पर्याप्त है. That's enough. That's enough. तुरंत जाओ. Go at once. Go at once. कभी नहीं. Never. Never. कभी भी नहीं. Never ever. Never ever. थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not a bit. Not a bit. खुद से पूछो. Ask yourself. Ask yourself. हे भगवान. Oh God. Oh God. इसे साफ करो. Clean it और clear it. Clean it और clear it. शांति शांति. Calm down. Calm down. बाहर प्रतीक्षा करो. Wait outside. Wait outside. किसने कहा? Who said? Who said? अफसोस. How sad. How sad. तुम जानते हो. You know. You know. बाय बोलो. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. हाथ हिलाकर बाय बोलो. Wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. जाकर खेलो. Go and play. Go and play. पकड़ो इसे. Hold this या hold it. Hold this और hold it. जाग जाओ. Wake up. Wake up. उठ जाओ. Get up. Get up. नहा लो. Take bath. Take bath. एक निवाला खा लो. Take a bite. Take a bite. एक घूंट पियो. Take a sip. Take a sip. दूर जाओ. Go away. Go away. कब से. Since when. Since when. कब तक. Until when. Until when. इसे दोहराओ. Repeat it. Repeat it. मेरे बाद दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. फिर से कोशिश करो. Try again. Try again. माफ करना. Excuse me. Excuse me. खुश रहो. Be happy. Be happy. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. इसे खाओ. Eat it. Eat it. कृपया लीजिए. Have it please. Have it please. खाते रहिए. Keep eating. Keep eating. बिल्कुल. Of course. Of course. एक तरफ हट जाओ. Move aside. Move aside. थोड़ा खिसको. Move a bit. Move a bit. पीछे घूमो. Turn back. Turn back. चारों तरफ घूम जाओ. Turn around. Turn around. बाएं मुड़ो. Turn left. Turn left. दाएं मुड़ो. Turn right. Turn right. ऊपर देखो. Look up. Look up. नीचे देखो. Look down. Look down. साथ में चलो. Come along. Come along. मेरे पीछे आओ. Follow me. Follow me. अब सुनो. Now listen. Now listen. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. सीधे जाओ. Go straight. Go straight. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. वहां जाओ. Go there. Go there. यहां आओ. Come here. Come here. जोर से बोलो. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. और speak loudly. Speak loudly. अंदर आओ. Come in. Come in. बाहर जाओ. Go out. Go out. निकल जाओ. Get out. Get out. बाहर आओ. Come out. Come out. अंदर जाओ. Go in. Go in. शांत हो जाओ. Be quiet. Be quiet. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. तैयार हो जाओ. Be ready. Be ready. और get ready. Get ready. कोई खास बात. Anything special. Anything special. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे अपने पास रखो. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. सच बोलो. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ. I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है. I have made a decision. I have made a decision. समय पर आना. Be on time. Be on time. मेरा फ़ोन कहाँ है? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? किसी का फ़ोन आ रहा है. Someone is calling. Someone is calling. ठीक है, मैं समय पर आऊँगा. Okay, I'll be on the time. Okay, I'll be on the time. आप तैयार हो जाओ. You get ready. You get ready. मैं अभी खाना बनाती हूँ. I'll cook food right now. I'll cook food right now. क्या हुआ आपको? What happened to you? What happened to you? मैं कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking something. I am asking something. वह हमें देख रहा है. He is looking at us. He is looking at us. इस बारे में ज़्यादा मत सोचो. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. वह किस लिए था? What was that for? What was that for? तुम कैसे गए थे? How did you go? How did you go? वह कल आई थी. She came yesterday. She came yesterday. मैं नहीं गया था. I did not go. I did not go. क्या तुम गए थे? Did you go? Did you go? मैं कल उससे मिलने गया था. I went to meet her yesterday. I went to meet her yesterday. क्या वह आई थी? Did she come? Did she come? मैं कल गया था. I went yesterday. I went yesterday. मैंने नहीं पूछा. I did not ask. I did not ask. उसने मुझे बताया था. She told me. She told me. वह गई थी. She went. She went. क्या आप वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? मैंने उससे पूछा था. I asked her. I asked her. उसने नहीं बताया. She did not tell. She did not tell.